You know, when you look at the EV space, a lot of people say, well, why is Tesla #1 worldwide? And take a look at the leading EV automakers in the first quarter. Why is Tesla ahead of BYD? Not only because of China, the US, as well as Europe. It's strong in all three of the major markets. But here in the UK, as well as other parts of Europe, you are starting to notice a change. You are starting to see more Chinese automakers coming into the market.
NIO is making significant strides in the European electric vehicle market, with a notable presence in countries like the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark. But the real game changer is on the horizon: NIO's announcement to introduce its affordable Firefly sub-brand in Europe by 2025. This move comes at a time when NIO is already reshaping the landscape of electric mobility in Europe, posing a challenge to established players. How will the entry of the Firefly sub-brand further impact the dynamics of the European EV market? NIO's journey in Europe started with ambitious plans to expand beyond its native China, initially targeting the German market. This strategic move began a broader initiative to tap into the European electric vehicle scene. Fast forward, and NIO has made substantial progress, successfully selling its EV models in Germany and making a significant impact in the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark. The expansion into these European countries reflects NIO's commitment to establishing a strong presence on the continent. What makes this development even more intriguing is NIO's recent confirmation of its intention to introduce a family-friendly Firefly sub-brand in Europe by 2025. This move signifies a forward-looking approach, indicating NIO's readiness to cater to the diverse needs of European consumers with an affordable and family-oriented electric vehicle option. The data speaks for itself, showcasing NIO's proactive strategy and execution in expanding its reach. From the initial focus on Germany to the present success in multiple European markets, NIO's progression sets the stage for an exciting chapter with the anticipated launch of the Firefly sub-brand. So, what can we expect from NIO's upcoming Firefly sub-brand? Described as NIO's base-level EV sub-brand, Firefly is set to redefine the landscape of affordability and family-friendly electric vehicles. The focus is providing consumers with an accessible, well-designed option for their electric mobility needs. In terms of affordability, Firefly aims to hit a sweet spot in the pricing range, targeting models in the 100,000 to 200,000 renminbi bracket or $14,000 to $28,000. This positioning places Firefly in a distinct category, emphasizing accessibility without compromising on quality and features. When compared to NIO's existing models, which are already making waves in Europe's premium segment alongside brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, Firefly represents a strategic expansion into a different market segment. The tiered branding strategy becomes evident, drawing parallels with successful automotive counterparts like Toyota/Lexus and Honda/Acura. This approach allows NIO to cover multiple segments and price points, catering to a broader spectrum of consumers with varying preferences and budgets. The president's analogy to these well-established automotive giants highlights NIO's commitment to creating a diversified portfolio that addresses the evolving needs of the European market. In drawing inspiration from successful tiered branding strategies, NIO positions Firefly as a crucial player in its lineup, targeting families and individuals seeking a more accessible entry point into the electric vehicle space. Now, what about NIO's Alps sub-brand? Positioned to cater to the mid-range market, Alps is poised to fill the gap between NIO's premium offerings and the more budget-friendly Firefly sub-brand. With a scheduled launch in mid-2024, Alps is set to hit the European markets a year ahead of Firefly, making it a key player in NIO's expanding lineup. The strategic placement of the Alps between the premium and affordable segments reflects NIO's commitment to offering a comprehensive range of electric vehicles to meet diverse consumer preferences. Unlike the entry-level Firefly, Alps is designed to provide a more mid-range option, targeting consumers who seek a balance between features, performance, and cost. When it comes to pricing, Alps EVs are expected to fall within the 200,000 to 300,000 renminbi range or $28,000 to $42,000, positioning them as an attractive choice for those looking for a step up from the budget-friendly Firefly but not necessarily reaching the premium tier. This targeted pricing aligns with NIO's tiered branding strategy, ensuring that each sub-brand addresses a specific market segment without overlapping. But before we continue, we just want to thank you for watching this far. Now, let's talk about the potential seismic shift NIO's entry into the European market could bring. With established plans to launch its Firefly brand in Europe by 2024, NIO is poised to disrupt the electric vehicle landscape and pose a significant challenge to key players like Tesla and Polestar. As NIO expands its footprint across European markets, the competition is expected to intensify, potentially leading to established manufacturers reevaluating pricing strategies. The move is particularly significant given Europe's traditionally high prices for electric vehicles, making them less accessible to the wider population. NIO's entry could usher in a new era of affordability, providing consumers with more choices and potentially lowering the barriers to EV adoption. Investors have already expressed confidence in NIO's European expansion plans, as evidenced by the surge in trading of the company's American depository receipts by 4%. This positive response highlights the market's keen interest in the growing electric vehicle industry and NIO's potential impact on the European market. The competitive dynamics are poised to evolve as NIO positions itself as a formidable player. With the promise of more affordable electric vehicles, the company aims to bring a competitive edge to the European EV market. This move aligns with the increasing popularity of electric cars in Europe, spurred by governmental measures to reduce emissions and promote sustainable transportation solutions. NIO's presence in Europe is expected to stimulate innovation, competition, and diversity in the electric vehicle segment. The surge in NIO's ADRs reflects investor confidence and the anticipation of positive changes in the industry. Moreover, let's talk about the wheels and wires of NIO's expansion in Europe, focusing on strategic charging and battery services maneuvers. NIO is revving up its game by introducing state-of-the-art power swap stations in Sweden, providing a seamless experience for users with efficient and rapid battery swapping. One standout feature is NIO's innovative battery-as-a-service system. This groundbreaking approach allows users to subscribe to battery services separately, reducing the overall cost of the electric vehicle and offering flexibility in ownership. NIO's strategic partnerships with heavyweights like Geely Holding and Changan Auto underline its commitment to advancing battery swapping technology. In a PowerPack move, NIO has inked a cooperation agreement with RWE for green power supply. This collaboration ensures that the energy powering NIO's vehicles in Europe aligns with environmentally conscious practices, contributing to the broader goal of a low-carbon transformation in the automotive industry. Beyond the roads, NIO is establishing a robust presence with its properties, including power swap stations, NIO houses, and NIO hubs. These elements create a comprehensive ecosystem, providing users with a means of transportation and a holistic experience. Furthermore, how has the stage been set for Chinese electric vehicle brands to steal the spotlight in Europe? The popularity of Chinese EVs in Europe has been on the rise, with a notable increase in market share within the European Union. The statistics paint a compelling picture. Chinese EVs are gaining ground, showcasing a growth trajectory that's hard to ignore. This surge isn't a stroke of luck, but a result of a winning combination: high-quality vehicles, innovative designs, and prices that give the competition a run for their money. What's behind this success? Well, beyond the assembly lines, it's the collaborative dance between China and Europe in the EV industry. The synergy is palpable, with each partner bringing its strengths to the table. As a key player, NIO has strategically positioned itself in this collaborative landscape, making impactful moves that resonate in the European EV market. NIO's contribution isn't just about selling cars, it's about influencing the evolution of the European EV landscape. As the wheels turn, NIO's strategic maneuvers leave a lasting imprint, shaping the market dynamics. So, what does this mean for the future of electric mobility in Europe? The stage is set, the players are in position, and the script is unfolding. As NIO and other Chinese EV brands make their mark, the question now is, how will this synergy continue to reshape the European automotive scene? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Moreover, if you want to know about investing in NIO, simply tap on this video link. Appreciate you joining us, and keep an eye out for more thrilling content coming your way.